Hug me. Kiss Papa. Kiss Papa. Ay, gusto naman. Papa, di ba? We have a promise lips naman. Di ka kakain, no?
Hindi na, good eh.
Ay, good daw siya. So,
Enjoy na kayo sa date niyo.
ano, Francis?
Enjoy na kayo sa date niyo.
Ay!
Well, good evening, everybody. From LA. Hello, hello. I am driving. Watching from Dubai. Ooh, we got 29 people up in here. You guys want me to go home? Wait. Well, are you in the Philippines, Mr. B? Why is it so dark? And you know how it is here in the States. Sariling sikap. I had to wake up really early today. Uy, uy. Why is it so dark in my country? Because it's the morning, guys. Why do you think? Why? Hindi pwedeng dark dito sa ano? Eh, baka mahuli ako. Watching from Hong Kong. Hello, Geraldine. Hello, Celeste, Shiera, Rose Melody. Mr. B watching from Hong Kong. You guys think I'm in the Philippines? What makes you think I'm in the Philippines? I have a show in like less than a week. Taga saan ba kayong lahat? I have a little surprise. Where I'm going right now. You don't have a seatbelt. I know. I do. It's just on. Oh, now I do. Sa Philippines kasi, I know, it's bad. Seatbelt ako. Wala na. Naka-seatbelt na po. Sorry na po. Uy, 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 uy. Japan, can you do a concert here? 52 people. QC Lambo. Hello from Dubai, brother. We got Tracy. We got Pangasinan, North Point. To what surprise do we have, Mr. B? Can't wait. Well, you know, I'm on tour away from loved ones, you know. So I had a couple of days. Mhm. Decided to go somewhere real quick. Miss B answer me yet? Did Miss B answer me yet? Letra. Invite natin si Miss B, no? The sun is about to come up, guys. And the surprise is coming in about 1 minute. You guys ready? Who can guess what the surprise is? Ano yung sorpresa? I haven't been here in a while. Why are you awake at 5 a.m.? It's not 5 a.m., it's 6:49, guys. 6:49 a.m. Huh? How can I be in the Philippines when I have a show next week, guys? Wait lang. Wait lang, wait lang. Don't go away, don't go away. I saw a cop, so I had to turn off the lights, guys. Too dark. 6:49 a.m. What? You guys think I'm lying? Mr. B is also here. Getting the Mishish calling. What's up to the 55 people here on exclusives? How y'all doing? Oh, this place looks familiar. Who can guess where I'm at on this day of June, July? It's already July, no. Hmm. Park lang ako, guys, ha? In America, that he because his car is in the US. That's right. Our time difference is 3 hours. So if it's in the Philippines, if it's 6:49 a.m. here, I mean that's +3 over there in the Philippines, and then flip it, right? Who is that? Is
Para saan yung mga bagbag
Papa?
mo?
Look who this, guys!
Papa, para saan yung mga bagbag? Oh,
What's a bug?
yan po.
Bug. I'm in the Philippines, guys.
Paano pa pauwi ka?
Yes.
Papel? Papers? Papa, may papers ako nandito.
Yes, my love.
Kiss my mama now. Saglit na ba yan?
Opo.
Saglit lang. Hi, everybody. Kiss my mama now. Ano ba yan, baby? I'll wait. Oh my gosh! No!
Headbutt.
Hug, mom.
Hug,
Not
Papa.
me. Mama na lang.
Hug.
Hey. Touch me. Hug.
Hello, everybody.
Kiss my papa. Hug me. Kiss my papa
Hey.
first. Kiss my papa. Hug me. Kiss papa. Ay, gusto naman. Papa, di ba? We have a promise lips naman. Saan nag-promise?
Kiss. Oh, that we almost get it.
It's important and you really need to go up now. Hi, Celeste. Hug me. Oh, hug me.
Don't do that somewhere.
I love you. Papa, you always hug my mama. Huh?
You want me to?
Yes. Tulog na siya. What? If mama is asleep, you can hug her.
Is this the one?
Yes. Yung may green wallpaper. Oh no, I'm 6%. Hello, everybody. No, but no. Natpress ko na, day.
Hi guys.
Sige nga, ate, pa-try nga papatay. Yun tulong-tulong lang. Francis, watch ka na dyan.
Mr. Beast level 2 is worth it even if it's still level 6. Oh, they want level 6.
Aba,
Oh.
guys, thank you so much sa mga... Level 2 lang ba to?
Level 2.
Dahil level 2 lang to, ito po yung surprise si Mr. Beam. Kakanta siya na naka-brief. Ready? Ano, Katie? Ay, sorry. Saan ka matulog? Wala si Katie. Mama, paano ka mag-akyat? Pwede ikaw lang? Ako lang? Yes. Hindi pwede matulog papa mo here? Pwede, pero 12 naman. 12, okay. I'm going up now. Ba't ka tumatawa? Mama. Kilig? Hindi tayo magkatabi-tabi kayo ni Katie. Okay. Oh, wow, may 1,000 yen. Bongga.
Hoy, 10 yen. Arigato gozaimasu.
Tabi kayo ni Papa mo. Guys, may lakad kasi kami importante. Hindi na naman to magigising. Kanina dito siya natulog, tabi sila. Ako nagsabi kasi kailangan niyang magising. Dahil pag nandun siya sa bahay niya, hindi siya nagigising. Bukas meron na naman kaming important matter. So, kasi hindi tayo kasya mamaya. Hindi naman kami tabi, guys. Tabi sila ni Katie. Siyempre, pag-pop away pa ako ng things. Mama. Hello. Siyempre, hindi kasya ako pag nagpakawi ako ng things. Pakawi ng things? Saan?
You're so beautiful.
Katie, okay lang daw ang ligaw papa mo sa akin? Yes. Ma. Oh, tabi kayo ni papa mo, ha? Yes. Okay. I'm going to go up na, but, what? Can pop, 12 tigil na ako. Okay. Mamaya pa kami akyat, 12. Okay lang ba? Okay lang po. Okay lang po.
Hey,
Dito muna kami.
is this mine?
That's him. That's him. Wala na po iba, kaya ito na lang ginagawa. Okay lang yan. It's cute, Katie. Oh my God, Katie! Mabasag yung... Hindi naman puro glass.
Hi, Miss B.
Hello? So, bakit ba umuwi si Mr. B? Bakit umuwi si Mr. B? Explain! Meron kasi siyang... Dito ka kaya sa upuan, Chris. Gusto mo talaga lumuhod dyan? Are you okay? Oh.
Eh, baka hindi tayo kasya sa screen. Hindi ka kasi nag-accept
Oh!
sa Messenger.
Wala.
Accept na kayo sa Messenger.
Na?
Ay, wag na.
Ay, madali.
We don't have a light in the front. Ano yung ilaw doon?
Wow! Kahit mag-level 10 kami, go lang. Sana all. Go up. Papa, is it okay to mag-akyat po? I love you, Katie. I'm not asthma. Hug me. Hug me. Yes. Love you. One time lang yung asthma. Ano ba gagawin mo doon? Baka may tatawagan ka, ha? Wala. Promise? I'll block it now. Okay, okay. Love you. Alam mo naman ako makikinig ng music. Opo. Di ba nakita mo? Yes, I know. Makinig ka na ng music. I love you. Kasi it's my first day today. Yes. Pag-absent ako first day.
Congratulations.
Yeah po.
So, yeah.
Because we are happy, we are sending. Wow, sana all. Guys, sige, okay lang na mag
mag-send kayo and mag-level 2. Kasi, guys, ang mahal ng pamasahe niya, guys.
Kaya nga.
Thank you daw sa help.
Yes, thank you sa help. Naisip ko kasi I had 10 days and
Ayaw daw niya gumastos, kaya pumunta na lang siya dito.
ito yung plane ticket na lang ginastusan ko para makita ko ulit si Miss B and si Katie. Uy! We was you, or I think
Oh,
that's a wab, no?
He was,
We wab you.
we love you too.
We will. How do we turn this into ano?
Wow, sana all. Daming send ng gift.
Thank you sa plane ticket. Grabe pambawi. Guys, I'm only here for 5 days and then I gotta go back. Pero ganun talaga. I'm only here for 5 days.
Order ako food. May gusto ka? Food na naman. May gusto ka? Wala.
Sure.
Ayaw mo? Okay.
Sure.
Ano gusto mo, Mr. B?
What are you ordering? Sige.
I'm good, kuya. Hindi na ako makain paggabi.
Oh.
Papaya tayo, tila na.
Ay, arigatou gozaimasu!
Sobra naman yan. Parang gusto ko na lang din mag-live. Maghiwalay kami ng live. Ako sa taas, dito siya. No, guys? Anong food?
Bukas, mag-live ka.
Anong food?
Anong food? Let me see. Oh, it's Grab here now. Nasaan na sa Uber Eats.
There and sending it too much. Kiki is really super happy. Mm.
What are you thinking of ordering? How's your taping?
Okay naman. Masaya. Parang ang sarap ng Jiangnan. Jiangnan!
What's a jangnan?
Wala. Parang,
Uy, arigatou gozaimasu! Ang saya ko, grabe kayo.
sana all.
Thank you guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Uy, ang sarap kumain sa Jiangnan. Kain tayo.
Surprise! Na-surprise pa kayo?
Kain,
Medyo.
ayain ko pa naman sana si Igid kaso diet na siya. Ayun, kain tayo dito dala guys. Jiangnan. Hot pot.
Alis tayo or dito? Oh my God. We had
Parang ang sarap kasi kumain sa Jiangnan, guys.
Uy, meme! 09.
Grabe naman, ang dami nagsasend.
Christy Donoso, maraming salamat.
Ayun, may pangkain na tayo. Kain tayo.
Date kayo, sama kami.
Tara.
O, tara. Ano ba yung bukas ngayon?
Jiangnan nga.
O,
Hot pot.
sige.
Tayong dalawa lang. Tara na. Dahil si yung Francis.
Dun sa ano?
Pwede naman sumama si Francis. Doon lang siya sa gilid. Pwede naman siya sumama. Hindi naman siya makikita sa screen.
Yes, help me for my plane ticket, Sierra Kate. Thank you so much.
Ay, mamain.
Samang kita. Ay, naku. Ano bang gusto mong kayo? You wanna go to Samgyup? Samgyup yung gusto niya eh. Stop it.
Hot pot.
Ray
Anong stop it? Stop!
What am I doing?
Kain tayo.
Yes! Kazel!
Hindi ka na.
Thank
Mag-first
you so
date na tayo. Lalalala.
Don't include, huwag mo isama si Francis daw.
Para meron naman kami face-to-face kilig.
Ang sarap in love. Okay. I'm just, ito yung ito, binabasa ko. Like. Oh, you can like these things. $15 kilig batch. Ano ba naman?
Grabe yan ah.
Is that L?
OMG! Ang dami nag-send ng money, 10K. I think ako na magla-live. Pag ako nag-live bukas, walang nag-send ng 10K ha.
Uy, wab you. Ha, grabe sa mo naman yan. Gutom ka nga. No.
Ah.
Gutom ka.
Grabe, kakatoothbrush ko lang.
Sige nga, isa pa. Flowers. Oh! Nag-aabaga kami band-aid ninyo, plane ticket. Oh, you guys are so sweet.
Ano ba, nag-business class ka ba or ano lang? Economy? Ano?
I did premium economy. Gusto ko
Okay.
mag-business class. Sabi ko, an extra $1,000 just so I could just think, premium economy. Some premium.
Bawiin na lang niya daw dito sa live. Kaya naman, sabi ni Mr. B, let's go live.
Yeah.
Baka mabawi natin.
Hindi naman.
Sure. O,
We
sige
just-
na nga, okay.
We just want to show them that. I just wanted to show them that surprise. Right, guys? Uy, 71 for me. That's a
Wow, nakailan na 20 yung nadagdag, Christopher. Intindi, alive ang mga level 2 ngayon na, walang absent. Halika na, let's go na, date na daw, tara na.
Tara.
Kasi 12 pa tayo akit kay Katie.
Tara.
Baka maputol yung ano mo, lagay mo sa LTE. Ito saan ba? Ayaw mo.
Gusto ko. Pag gusto mo.
Para luto-luto, tara, gusto ko yung sabaw dito, please. Mapagkaan ka naman, yan
Tara. Okay,
Bye,
guys.
everybody. Okay, sama kayo, tara na.
Sama ba sila today?
Oo.
Sama kayo, ha? Sama kayo sa amin.
Bukas magda-date kami, sama kayo sa live ko, ha? Let's go, Christopher.
I mean, nah.
Hoy!
No. What?
Pare, ano yan?
Nah, hell no. Hindi tayo kinikilig, pare. Tanggal ang aso.
Let's go, Christopher! Let's go! Di ka kakain, no?
Hindi na, good eh.
Ay, good daw siya. So,
Enjoy na kayo sa date niyo.
ano, Francis?
Enjoy na kayo sa date niyo.
Ay! Ay, tatawa lang ako mukhang timang. So, hello everybody! Ay! Sobra naman yun. Let's go. Teka lang bigla.
Sabi nila, very good, Francis. Diyan ka lang. Wait, so is that where we're going? What is it called? Jiangnan?
Oo. Or, ano gusto mo?
Oh, look at these guys. Look at Peanut. And Ginger. Did you guys take a bath? Oh, you want to see Ginger? Look at Ginger, guys. Say hi, Ginger. Hi, baby. Look at Peanut. Hi, Peanut. Look at that, baby. No. Hi. Yeah, so I had 10 days and naisip ko lang kasi.
Let's go! Let's go. Hindi na magdadala ng pera.
I got you.
Hindi totoo.
I got you.
Okay. Baka hindi totoo. Charot. Let's go. Ano na? Guys, huwag mo naman napatay ni aircon ba? Kaya naman saglit. Saan yung naka-LTE ka na ba?
Hindi pa. Mag-LTE na ako. Okay, wait lang guys, ha? 1 second.
Ka muna dyan. Watch mo na ng movie.
Okay. Sige, te. Good go.
Pabalik lang kami agad. Sayang naman yung opportunity. Opportunity to date. Dates.
Level 2 is worth it. Yep, they can come.
Let's.
You guys are gonna come with us.
It's a.
It's a date. It's a date. Uy, 320 yen. Japinay Filipino. Thank you so much. Just a little day off for us. Yep. For me too, you know? I have nothing to do for the next how many days? Actually, I'm leaving on Sunday. What's that?
That's sweater niya, te. Baka lumigin na.
Uy, thank you. Salamat, Ingrid. Sweater mo daw, baka namigin ka.
Ah,
And he told me to get my glasses.
okay. Kakain muna kami ni Mr. B, guys. Sama kayo, ha?
We're gonna go eat. Savor the time.
Dala ba? Bongga.
Oh.
Excuse me.
Is it gonna fall? You. Okay.
So, naisip lang namin kumain.
Naisip niya. Kumain siya, samahan ko lang.
Diba, guys? It's a date.
Hindi ka kumain sa taping?
Kumain din. Sige na nga, wag na tayo kumain, Chris.
What do you
Uwi na
wanna
lang
do?
tayo. Pag nagpa-massage naman tayo, madilim. Paano kung makaka-live? Diba?
I know where to eat.
Saan?
La Sema.
Eh!
Eh?
Chris, uwi tayo. Kailangan natin umuwi ng 12.
Uy, thank you so much, Elzon.
Kailangan natin umuwi ng 12 si Katie.
Okay, sige.
Tsaka nagpapahinga yung mga tao sa Lasema, istorbohin mo. Bakla ka. So, hello mga kailangan. Gano'n?
Yeah, hindi. Pwede naman. We don't need to talk loud. We just talk like this. Kasi nga level 2. Level 2 gets the exclusives, right? And sana naging worth it. I know, I'm sorry I don't go live as much as Cheeky.
Ayan ka na naman, Chris.
What?
Yung seatbelt mo.
I'm
Anong I'm?
oh yeah. Sorry. Pinagalitan din nila ako kanina. Kasi
Ano?
I don't have to say-
Uy, dahan-dahan. Wait lang.
What's happening? What's happening?
Wala. Basta.
This-
Left ka na.
Left?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, ayan o.
I thought Jiangnan is over there.
Sarado, Chris. Banawe tayo, Banawe.
Oh, we want
Ako na muna
Banawe.
mag-drive ka nga dyan. Diba, guys? Siya muna mag-drive.
Banawe? What about Morato?
Ano meron sa Morato?
There's Chili's.
Eh. Ay, wala kang hawakan ng phone?
Wala. Ay! Check mo.
Ang init nito, ha?
Check mo dito.
Kakaloka ka. I mean, pang nilagay sa mesa.
No.
Ay, ang galing.
Everything always falls. I
Dapat
haven't,
dinala natin na sa bahay, Chris. Ang init dito, pero
I haven't found a good one for the car.
yung kagaya nung sa akin kanina, yung pinatungan ko. Chris, dapat dyan tayo. Pero sige na nga. Di maligay siya.
Ayoko.
71, you're here to classmate. Hello naman sa akin mga students. Kumusta kayo, guys?
Did you have a lesson earlier?
Of course.
What was
Diba,
your lesson?
guys? My
I
lesson
saw you. You had I was
about insurance.
insurance.
Yes, health card, life insurance. Naging agent naman ako kanina. Di ba guys?
I
Sabi
saw-
ko, sayang naman. Ano ba yung share ako ng share sa inyo? Kasi hindi naman ako agent.
May nag-reach out na ba sa'yo?
Nang?
Na,
Insurance?
Miss Kat, pwede kang maging agent. Baka gusto niyo.
Wala.
Diretso or you want me to go that way?
Ano pa sabi nito? Saan ba siya?
Well, that's Banawi, right? I have to
Opo.
go this way. I have to make a turn, right?
Chris, ba't ganyan? Ang gulo niya.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.